Welcome to this morning somatic practice. So please let's get straight in. Join me in a seated position which is comfortable for you. And when you're ready, close down the eyes. I'm going to invite you to take a few big deep breaths in and out. Allowing ourselves to use these breaths to ground us and bring us into our practice, and also to shift out any stagnancy in the lungs and in the body. So really allow yourself to take some really nice, deep, nourishing breaths all the way down into the chest, down into the belly, and allow your exhale to be nice and slow and releasing. And in today's practice, we're going to allow the awareness within inside to guide us in and out of our poses, and allow us to explore and move for the body, not for the mind. So please bring your awareness to your body all the time. Ask the body how it wants to move and listen to the body as much as possible. When we do get to certain poses and there is some stiffness, please have no judgment on your body. Please give your body love and compassion rather than frustration and annoyance. And just see if the love and compassion can ease and dissolve any tension that you are holding. Taking one more deep breath in and out. Let's get going in our practice. So opening the eyes if you have closed them, taking the hands out by the side of the body. Take a big inhale as we rise up. Exhale, come all the way down. Big inhale up. And exhale down. We are about to get gate crashed by the local calf. You can see him running over towards me. She, shall I say. And exhale all the way down. Take one more big inhale. Rise up. Hello, Daisy. And exhale all the way down. Good morning. And then release the left hand down to the mat and take the right hand up to the ceiling or the sky and lean over to the left side. She's very happy this morning. So we're going to create space in the ribs here, opening up as much space as we can. And then now change sides. So taking the right hand down to the mat, reaching the left arm up and over, creating as much space as we can. We want to really push the sit bones into the ground. Good morning. And then change sides again. Taking up my hair. Taking it over to the left side, reaching that right arm up. Taking a nice big reach. And change over to the right side again. A little bit of a fun practice with Daisy causing carnage here. Reach up, nice big stretch. And then slowly release, come back to the center. We're going to take the hands out in front of us and take a nice walk out, and take a walk out using the breath. So we breathe in, as we exhale soften, walk out that little bit more. Breathe in, exhale soften, walk out a little bit more. And just continue doing this, and I want you to listen to the body. So you may notice that some tension starts to arise at the lower back. If you do, just breathe into that space. And if you need to regress slightly, please regress. And just listen to the breath, listen to the body. And if it is too much, come back. Don't push yourself, don't force yourself to do things that your body doesn't want to do. And take one more here. And then slowly come back up to the center. Be very, very gentle here. From here, we're just going to take the hands behind us and just take a little lean back, push the chest out, push the shoulders back, let the head drop back. Take some really big deep breaths and just pay attention to what's going on in your shoulders and in your chest. You may also get a stretch in the lower back here, in the middle of the back. Take one more. Come back to the center. Okay, we're going to take the right hand up to the ceiling or the sky, and I invite you to take the left hand and grab the right wrist. From here, we're just going to pull up, lengthen through the spine, and then take a little lean over to the left side. Hello. So again, we're lengthening here, but we're tugging on the arm slightly. So really pull up on that arm, using the left hand to create some space, and you should get a bit of a deeper stretch in the shoulder. And then gently release, change sides. So taking the right hand to the left wrist, pull up, ouch. Good girl. And then pull up and a little reach over. And nice stretch in the shoulder. Good girl. And then slowly come back to the center. We're going to release the legs out, take a little shake off, and then place the hands behind you. We're going to place the feet into the ground. Take the feet quite wide, and we're going to move the legs over to the left, so knees move, feet stay where they are, and come to the center, move to the right. So again here, just listen to the body, ask the body how it wants to move. Don't think that you have to go at a certain pace. And just keep moving from side to side. Oh, Mama's coming over. So just moving side to side, releasing any tension from the hips. Good morning, Mama. Come to check on her baby. And take just a few more of these. Gently arrive back into the center. So from here, we're going to bring the feet together, come into butterfly, keep leaning back. And what I want you to do is move in and out of the hips here. So you may want to lift up the bum cheeks and move from side to side. You may not. Whatever feels good for you. You may want to stay in your butterfly and then just butterfly your legs up and down. So just ask the hips what's going on, what do they need, and then just do whatever feels good for you. And then take one more movement, whatever that may be, and then slowly come back into the center, and then just push back up into a seated position. Mama Calves having a smell of the camera, and then just hug the knees. Take the hands around the knees and just rest the head down towards the knees. Just curl through the spine slightly in the neck. Just take a deep breath. And then slowly release, come back up to the center. We're going to come on to our hands and fours. Hands and fours, hands and knees, shall I say? And then from here, we're going to take some cat-cows, which is very relevant for being joined by a big mama cow and a calf. Hello, I know. So allowing yourself to round through the spine and curl through the spine. Good girl. So taking an inhale as we rise up, curling through the spine, and then rounding through the spine. The head drops. So take these movements at your own pace. Okay, good girl. And we'll just take a couple more of those. Alright. Nice big breaths, really feeling into what the spine wants and needs. And then gently come into stillness. We're going to walk the hands out slightly and tuck the toes, lift into a downward facing dog. Again, from here, I want you to really pay attention to how the body is feeling, how the body wants to move. Taking a pedal out of the feet, remembering that you don't have to be static. And then when you're ready, slowly start to walk up to the top of the mat. And then here we're going to just hang out in our ragdoll. So just bring awareness to the body. Lift up through the hips. And just let all of that tension from your head and shoulders be released. Just let it go. And then gently release. Take a big inhale as you rise all the way up. Lengthen through the spine. Reach the arms all the way up. And bring the hands down into heart center. Take a breath here. Take a moment. And then take a big inhale, rise up. And exhale, fold all the way forwards. Take an inhale, send the right leg back, bring the knee down, look up. And then take the left knee back. Lower chest and chin to the ground. Take an inhale, scoop the chest up. Tuck the toes, lift into downward facing dog. Gaze in towards the hand, step that right foot forward. Left knee comes down, look up. And then left leg forward. Take a big inhale, rise up. And exhale, hands to heart center. Take a deep breath in. Rise up. Exhale, fall down. And inhale, send the left leg back, bring the knee down, look up. Right leg goes back. Lower chest and chin to the ground. Inhale, scoop, chat. Tuck the toes, lift into a downward facing dog. Pedal the feet out here. Gaze in towards the left hand. Place the left foot forward. Place the right foot forward. Take a big inhale, rise up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Relax the hands now. Take a moment and just take a little shake off. Just take a little bounce, a little shake. Just release any tension from the body. And then come to stillness. Take a moment here. Close the eyes and just take a moment to feel the body. So I want you just to relax here. Feel the body. Feel the heartbeat. Maybe the heartbeat has got a lot quicker. And then just observe now the heartbeat is slowing down. Listen to the body. Listen to how smart it is. How it's able to regulate itself. And I want you now to ask yourself, what do you need today? Not the mind, but the body. What does the body need today? And then I ask you to gift yourself whatever it needs today. Give it whatever it needs. And then bring your hands to your heart. Take 3 big deep breaths with me to finish our practice. Deep breath in and out. The camera and the tripod is currently being licked. And breathe in and out. Last one, breathe in and out. Thank you so much for joining me. Have an absolutely beautiful day. If you're doing this practice in the evening, have a beautiful night's sleep. Thank you so much for joining. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye. Bye.